Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the radio is present. Open Device Manager or System Settings and look for the Bluetooth adapter. Once found, you confirm airplane mode is off and power management isn't disabling the device. This prevents unexpected shutdowns. Make sure you have administrative rights because you will install or roll back drivers. While you note the adapter model and current driver version, prepare a secondary connection method like USB so you can fetch drivers if Wi-Fi fails. You stop and restart the Bluetooth support service to reset the radio stack. This clears many transient faults. Then, once that service is stable, you uninstall the adapter driver from Device Manager and reboot so the OS reinstalls it cleanly. Alternatively, roll back to a known good driver if the issue started after an update. While the system reinstalls, run the built-in troubleshooter and check system logs for error codes so you can target the root cause. You perform advanced fixes only if software resets didn't help. Update the adapter firmware and the motherboard chipset drivers from the vendor because mismatched firmware can block radio initialization. Once done, make sure BIOS or UEFI hasn't disabled the onboard Bluetooth and, if required, reset power states. If the radio still shows an error, test with a known good USB Bluetooth dongle to separate hardware from software faults. If problems persist, one troubleshooting tip: capture the exact error code and search vendor support for that code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.